guys, I'm Nilanjana and welcome back to Travel Food and Talk. It's been ages, right? I know. But it is about time कि हम लोग इस inertia से निकले and Travel Food and Talk की एक नई travel series को शुरू करें, wherein I'm going to take you guys to the beautiful valley of Kashmir. So आगे के आने वाले कुछ 10-15 videos are all about my travel to Kashmir which just happened last month. And मैं गई थी अकेले नहीं, but with 3 other girls. Savita, my sister-in-law, दिव्यश्री माई फ्रेंड एंड मानसी माई फ्रेंड. सविता को आप लोगों ने देखा होगा स्पीति सीरीज में. दिव्या एंड मानसी के साथ मैंने दिल्ली जैसलमेर का ट्रिप किया था, रोड ट्रिप. एंड यस, इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल सीरीज. आई हैव ऑलरेडी एडिटेड अ कपल ऑफ वीडियोज एंड आई थिंक इट इज गोइंग टू बी एन अमेजिंग सीरीज फॉर यू ऑल. तो चलिए दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट से निकलते हैं जन्नत की तरफ. Hello! Hey guys, so we are here in the flight now and we are going to Srinagar. So yes, see you soon.
दस मिनट हो रहे अब तो भैया कितने देर पहले बोल दिया था आपको.
₹10 फर्स्ट कैसे चल रही थी. हाँ बस पूछताछ पर हिसाब.
आपने हमको बहुत वेट कराया.
कितना वेट करवाया
आपने आधा घंटा 40 मिनट. हाँ हाँ.
जब आपने फोन किया ना, हम लगेज यहाँ से उतारवाए हैं. जब आप
भैया हम बाहर बहुत देर से खड़े हैं. आप
क्या बोल रहे हैं मैडम? 10 मिनट
10 मिनट नहीं कर रहा है. हमने बहुत देर वेट किया. नहीं मानना है मत मानो. दैट इज नॉट माय प्रॉब्लम. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. This is so pretty, man. So we are on our way to a waterfall called Aharbal. तो हम लोगों ने 2 towns cross करे and then to Pahalgam. And yes, the drive was just so beautiful. I'm going to be adding the clipping of the drive in this video because it was absolutely breathtaking. And there's so much to talk about, whatever we've seen already, which is just like a few hours, but it's absolutely gorgeous and it's very different than any other mountain area that you must have seen in India. Aharbal Waterfall. Sida. Thanks. So, not exactly what I'd expected it to be, especially had I known कि ये सारा grill वगैरह लगा है, इतनी सारी सीढ़ी है, तो probably I would have thought twice to come here, like to this particular point. But the drive to this point was absolutely awesome, especially right now when the apple orchards are flowering. So it was really pretty. For that bit, I feel that this is a doable point you should have in mind if you're right here in Kashmir. pattern na hota शीशे में तो Mansi, hello. Hi, Divya. Very cold. Hey guys, so we have stopped at Restaurant Paradise in Pahalgam for our early dinner before we go to Brown Palace, which is the Airbnb that we have booked. So we are done with our dinner, which was alright. You like the mutton Rogan Josh also?
Yeah, I think it was quite
The chicken was nice. What chicken was it? Wazi.
chicken Kashmir.
Chicken Kashmir was also very nice. But then we wanted to have something sweet, and rose chal rahe hain, and they have just broken their fast for the day. Iftari ke time hai, and we said kuch meetha hai aapke paas. So out of what they cooked for themselves, they've given us, this is firni na? Firni which they made for themselves. How sweet is it?
Very sweet.
Very sweet of them or very sweet to taste?
Both.
Hey guys, so हम लोग अपने Airbnb पहुंच चुके हैं, which is Brown Palace, and it is such a cute wooden homestay. I'm going to give you a property tour tomorrow, but for right now, this is the room. That's a cute bed. Yes, I can probably touch the roof. It's a low roof, but it's super cute, super cozy. And we can hear the water because the litter flows right across the street. We can't see across the street right now because it's really dark, but I think it's going to be a beautiful view once there's daylight. And that's the washroom. Pretty basic, but for 2 nights I think it's fine. Yep.
Which side you want?
The toilet could be better, but what to do?
Which side you want?
This side. This side I'll sleep. But you'll be
No problem.
happy
मैं
sleeping.
इतना ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
No?
No, बिल्कुल नहीं.
Okay.
मुझे तो खराटे लेने कहीं से भी दिलवा लो.
तो guys, बस शाम होने ही जा रही है, and I'm also calling it a day for today. काफ़ी editing करी है मैंने आगे की कुछ videos की, तो definitely consider subscribing to this channel for more content on travel, food and some conversations. And besides that, आज के वीडियो में आप लोगों ने देखा कि पहला दिन जो हमारा कश्मीर का था, where we landed in Srinagar, was slightly tough and also slightly what should I say, it was not really as we had expected it to be, for 2 reasons. Because हमारे ड्राइवर साहब काफ़ी गुस्से में थे, and ultimately हम लोगों को उन ड्राइवर को टाटा बाय बाय बोलना पड़ा. And also we were not very happy with our visit to Aharbal as a spot to visit. Drive बहुत खूबसूरत थी, there is no doubt about it, but Aharbal per se was not like mind-blowing as it was made out to be through all these videos and all these pictures that we are recently seeing of the beautiful Aharbal falls, especially in the winters. But still, for the drive, I would definitely recommend that that to be added as your itinerary. And yes, अगले vlog में हम लोग पहलगाम का एक local drive through and एक trip लेंगे. I will also in the next few videos show you the beautiful Brown Palace property, which is an Airbnb. And उसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे श्रीनगर, and then वहाँ से मैं and सविता जाएंगे Gurez Valley. So yes, if you want to be updated with all these videos and all this content, then do stay tuned and stay connected and stay in touch by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell icon. It is so tough for me to say that, but yeah, you gotta do that. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.